Hello everyone, this is John Mark TV and welcome po sa aking first video kung saan ang topic natin ay factoring polynomials. So sa video na ito, didiscuss ko kung paano kunin yung GCF at saka kung paano natin ifa-factor out yung GCF ng terms ng polynomials. So sa unang part ng video na ito is kukunin muna natin yung GCF ng one term polynomials o yung tinatawag na monomials. By the way, GCF means greatest common factor. So dapat alam niyo kung paano kunin yung GCF. So sa pagkuha ng GCF is kunin mo muna yung prime factorization ng lahat ng numbers and then titingnan mo kung merong common factors. Yan yung factors na present pareho sa parehong numbers, ano, and then kapag nakuha mo lahat ng common factors at imumultiply mo, yan yung GCF niya. Okay, so umpisa tayo sa number 1, 4a squared and 12a. So kukunin natin ng yung GCF ng dalawa. So factor out muna natin yung 4a squared. So yung 4a squared factor natin as yung 4 is 2 times 2, diba? Tapos yung a squared is dalawang a. Yung 12a naman, so yung factors ng 12 ay 4 tsaka 3, pero yung 4 pwede siyang gawing 2 times 2. So yung factorization niya is 2 times 2 times 3. And then a lang pala, no? Yung a lang. Okay. And then, ay na siya. Ito na yung lahat ng factors ng 4a squared at saka 12a. And then, kukunin natin yung common factors. Ibig sabihin, yun yung factors na present sa parehong given numbers. Okay? So, we have 2 here. Sandali. Yung GCF niya is, yan, yung 2. Tapos, isa pang 2. Tapos, a. Okay, and then multiplying the factors together, we have 4a. So 4a is the GCF of 4a squared and 12a. So ito siya. Yan, 4a yung GCF nila. Next, number 2. We have 3x squared y and 12xy squared. So again, kunin muna natin yung factorization ng parehong numbers, no? So 3x squared y, we have 3 is prime tapos x squared, so dalawang x, and then y. Tapos 12xy squared, so 12 is 4 times 3 but 4 is 2 times 2, so 12xy squared is, yung 12 is ano siya, 2 times 2 times 3, and then isang x at saka y squared, so dalawang y. So ayan na po yung factors niya. Okay, and then kukunin natin yung common factors niya. So yun yung magiging GCF, ano. So meron tayong 3 and then isang x at saka isang y. So 3 times x times y, that is 3xy. At ito yung GCF ng 3x squared y and 12xy squared. So yung GCF is no longer GCF, no? Kasi ang involved dyan is mga variables. Pero ang tawag doon sa GCF ay greatest common monomial factor, or tinatawag na common, dito natin sulat common monomial factor. Okay, monomial kasi isa lang ang terms ang ano natin involved dyan. So ang tawag sa GCF ng algebraic expressions ay common monomial factor. Okay, so let's move on to the next example. Okay, yung third example natin is 10x cubed, 25x to the 4th, and 15x to the 5th power. Okay, so kunin muna natin prime factorization nito. So, 10x cube muna tayo, no? So, 10x cube. So, 10 is 2 times 5. And then, x cube is 3x. Yan. So, 25x to the 4th naman. So, 25 is 5 times 5. Tapos, yung x to the 4th is 4 na x. Yan. And then, sa 15x to the 5th naman, so 15x to the 5th power. 15 is 3 times 5. Then, x to the 5th is 5x. Ayan. So, pagdating naman sa GCF, so meron tayong 5 as a common factor. Dapat present yung common factor na yon sa tatlong given numbers or expression, no? So, 5. Tapos, we have 1, 2, 3 factors of x. So, multiplying this together, we have 5x cubed. So, ito yung GCF o yung greatest common monomial factor ng tatlong ito. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, di ba? Yung numerical coefficient sa GCF is just the GCF of 10, 25, and 15. Tapos, itong x cube, di ba? So, ito yung GCF ng x cube, x to the 4th, and x to the 5th power. Kung saan yung x cube is kinuha as the lowest power. So, meaning to say, yung GCF ng powers, the set of powers of the same variables, ang kinukuha lang is yung lowest power, which is x cube. Kasi x cube is the lowest power among the three. So, x cube, x4, x to the 5th. So, yung pinakamababang power, yan yung GCF. Okay? So, kung i-apply natin technique na yon, madali natin makukuha yung GCF nito. So, 12x to the 5th power, y squared, 8x cubed, y to the 4th, and 20x to the 4th, y cubed. Okay, so kukunin muna natin GCF ng numerical coefficients. So, 12 is, ano siya, 4 times 3. So, 2 times 2 times 3. Tapos, yung 8 naman is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. And then, 20 naman, 4 times 5 or 2 times 2 times 5. Ayan. So, yung GCF ng numerical coefficient is 2 times 2 or 4. Ngayon, ang kulang na lang is yung variables, ano? So, isa-isahin muna natin yung variables, no? So, we have x to the 5th, x cubed, at saka x to the 4th power. So, kung i-apply natin yung technique gaya nito, so, kukunin lang natin yung pinakamababang power. Yan yung magiging GCF nila. So, ang pinakamababang power sa kanila, sa x, sa variable x, ay x cubed. And, ayan, yan yung GCF ng tatlong yan. Tapos, pagdating naman sa variable na y, so y squared, y to the 4th, at saka y cubed, again, kukunin natin yung pinakamababang power. So, ito yung y squared. At yan yung GCF ng tatlo. So, overall, ang GCF ng tatlong ito ay 4x cubed y squared. That's it. Ayan na siya. Okay? So, ganun lang pong paghanap ng GCF or greatest common monomial factor ng set of monomials. Okay? So, proceed tayo sa next part, which is kung paano natin i-factor out yung GCF ng terms ng polynomial. Okay, so sa second part is, yun nga, i-factor out natin yung GCF ng terms ng polynomial expression. Ano? Okay, so umpisa natin sa 5x squared plus 6x cubed. So, the first step is kukunin mo muna yung GCF ng lahat ng terms sa given expression. So, unay na natin si numerical coefficients, no? So, 5 at saka 6. So, as you can see, there is no common factor here. Diba? wala tayong makita common factor dyan kasi 6 is 2 times 3, diba? And then, wala namang factors na 2 tsaka 3 na meron sa 5. Okay? So, 5 is prime by the way. So, wala tayong common factor dyan. However, sa variables naman, x squared at saka x cube. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, so kukunin lang yung smallest power. No? Yun yan yung GCF nila. Okay? So, x squared tsaka x cube. So, ito yung GCF niya. So, therefore, yung GCF is x squared. Ayan. Ngayon, nahanap natin GCF. So, what is the next step? So, ang next step dyan is, i-divide mo lahat ng terms sa GCF. Okay? So, that is, i-divide mo to sa x squared. I-divide mo to sa x squared. So, to express this into factored form, isulot mo muna yung GCF, which is x squared. Diba? Tapos, yung isa pang factor, yan yung result sa pag-divide nito sa GCF. Okay? So, unahin natin si 5x squared divided by x squared. So, 5x squared divided by x squared. So, cancel pareho yan. 5 na lang ang natira. Plus, 6x cubed divided by x squared. So, ibig sabihin nun, sa tatlong x, dalawang x ang kukunin, madidivide, or mawawala. So, ang natitira na lang is isang x na lang. Ano? So, 6x. Okay? 6x to the first power or 6x na lang. And then, close. And, tignan nakuha natin. So, yung factors ay x squared times quantity 5 plus 6x. And this is the factored form of this expression na 5x squared plus 6x cubed. Okay? Ganun lang siya. Next, number 2. Meron tayong 15a cubed b minus 20a squared b squared. So, yung GCF natin, so kunin muna natin yung GCF, no? So, unahin natin yung numerical coefficients. So, 15 at saka 20. Diba? So, alam natin na yung 15 at saka 20 parehas na di-divide sa 5. So, yung GCF ng 15 at saka 20 is 5. Pagdating naman sa variables, no? So, unahin na natin si A. So, A cubed at saka A squared. So, yung GCF ng A cubed at saka A squared is the smallest one. So, A squared. Tapos, sa B naman at saka sa B squared, ang smallest is B. So, yan yung GCF. So, therefore, ang GCF ay 5A squared B. Okay? So, isulat na natin yung 5A squared B as the first factor. So, paano natin makukuha yung second factor? I-divide mo lang yung parehong terms sa 5A squared B. Ayan. At ito na yung quotient. Okay? So, i-divide sa unang term naman, i-divide natin. 15 divided by 5 is 3. A cubed divided by A squared. So, mawawala yung 2 dyan. So, 3 minus 2 is 1. A to the first power or simply A na lang. Tapos, B divided by B. So, wala na yan. Okay? So, wala nang B. Cancelled out na yan. Minus, dito naman, 20 divided by 5 is 4. A squared divided by A squared. So, wala na yan. And then, B squared divided by B. So, mawawala yung isang B. Isang B na lang natitira. So, B to the first power or B na lang. Okay? So, we have 3A minus 4B as the quotient. So, therefore, the factors are 5A squared B multiplied by 3A minus 4B. So, yan yung factored form ng original expression. Okay? So, ganun po ang pag-factor ng GCF ng polynomial. Okay? So, more examples tayo. Okay, sa number 3 naman, we have 15x to the 5th power minus 12x cubed plus 6x squared. So, kunin muna natin yung GCF ng tatlong terms. Okay? So, 15 is 3 times 5. 12 is 4 times 3. So, 2 times 2 times 3. At saka yung 6, 2 times 3. So, yung GCF, so kung ba lalagay, sige dito na lang. GCF nila, so we have 3 as the common factor, no? So, yung GCF is, wala nang iba, 3. Ayan. Okay. Pagdating naman sa variables naman, so x to the 5th power, x cube, at saka x squared. So, once again, yung pinakamaliit ang kukunin as the GCF. So, yung GCF is x squared. So, yung GCF ng tatlong terms ay 3x squared. Okay? So, yan yung first factor natin. So, 3x squared. Tapos, for the second one, so, i-divide natin yung tatlong terms sa 3x squared. Ayan. So, umpisa natin sa first term. So, 15 divided by 3 is 5. And 5 squared, x to the 5th divided by x squared. So, mawawala tong dalawa. So, natitira is 3. So, x cube. Minus 12 divided by 3, 4. Then, x cube divided by x squared. So, maalis yung dalawa. Ang matira, isang x na lang. So, x na lang. Okay? Plus 6x squared divided by 3x squared. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then, x squared divided by x squared. So, wala nang natira. Okay? So, 2 na lang. Okay? So, the factors are 3x squared multiplied by 5x cubed minus 4x plus 2. So, this is the answer to this one. Okay? So, yan po. And then, sa number 4 naman, 28 to the 5th power b cubed plus 36a to the 4th b to the 4th minus 18a cubed b to the 5th power. So, mahaba-haba to, no? Okay, so, kunin muna natin yung GCF. So, 20 is, ano siya? 2 times 2 times 5. Diba? 4 times 5 is 20. Tama. So, sa 36 naman, 4 times 9. So, that is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Tapos, sa 18 naman, 2 times 3 times 6. That is 2 times 3 times 3. Diba? Okay. So, yung GCF, so, ano ba common factors nila? So, 2. Meron pa ba? Wala na. So, yung GCF nila is 2. Okay? Next. Pagdating naman sa variables, so, a to the 5th muna. So, isa a muna tayo. A to the 5th power, a to the 4th, and a to a cube. So, the smallest is a cube. So, this includes sa GCF natin. And then, sa pagdating naman sa B, a cube, a to the 4th, b cube, b to the 4th, b to the 5th. So, the smallest is b cube. So, yan yung GCF nila. So, the GCF is 2a cube, b cube. Okay? Yan yung first factor natin. After that, i-divide natin lahat sa GCF. So, 2a cube, b cube. Ayan. And another 2a cube, b cube. Okay. So, i-divide natin isa-isa, no? So, yan na. 20 divided by 2 is 10. A cube, or a to the 5th power divided by a cube, that is a squared. Then, cancel na to. So, b cube divided by b cube, wala na yan. 1 na yan. Plus, 36 divided by 2 is 18. So, natin. A to the 4th divided by a cube, that is a na lang. Okay? Then, b to the 4th divided by b cube, b. Isa na lang natira sa b. Then, minus 18 divided by 2, 9. A cube divided by a cube, wala na yan. Then, a or b to the 5th divided by b cube. So, maalis yung tatlong b. Ilan ang natira? Dalawa. So, 9b squared. And then, close na. Okay? So, ito na yung factors ng original expression. Ayan, so 2a cubed b cubed multiplied by 10a squared plus 18ab minus 9b squared. So, ayan po ang natin, no, sagot. Okay? Okay, so that's all for our video for today, and abangan nyo na lang ang susunod na video. And I'll see you next time.